we're going to make a mango strawberry smoothie. It's going to be delicious, and look at this, the mangoes and the strawberries. Here it looks delicious. And here's the mangoes on top, and here's the strawberries down. And then we have some milk that we just put in, and we just went shopping. So we got these mangoes, and these mangoes are from Walmart, and these strawberries are from Walmart too, and we have the blender right here, and we have the thing to blend it. Okay guys, it's done. Now we're going to try it. We're going to pour it into here. The smoothie is done. Now I'm going to taste it. It tastes like strawberries and mangoes. Try this at home.